Good morning everyone. Today we are starting our tutorial about how to make a extrude into Creo parametric. First, what we are doing, we are selecting the working directory. Click on it. I'm just selecting the my one working directory. For example, into my documents, I'm selecting this folder is my working directory, and I make it okay. That means my working directory is selected. Now I'm going for the new one. And select the new. Click on the new. Then this menu. This is one the part in the solo. My by default name is a part 001. I just erase it. Just make a one other name part part1. I'm not using the by default template. That's why I'm just make a mark and then okay. I'm just selecting the solid part mmks. Then okay. This is your working area. Okay. First we have to select the extrude because we want to make a one extrude. Extrude. Okay. First there is one placement. That means you have to specify where you want to draw your extrude or any kind of a sketch of extrude. That means for example I want to make a one cube, I want to make a one rectangle onto the one plane, then I make a one cube. If I want to make a one cylinder, that's why I make a one circle and then I make one extrude. That means we have to select the plane in which we are working. For example, I want to select also the front plane, right side plane on the top. I'm selecting the front plane. Okay, the front plane when I'm selecting, but the front plane is not come at the my side. I'm not easily drawing this over here. That's why I have to make one sketch view. Then how to make one sketch view? There's so many options available. There's the one view from the last four, a sketch view. When you make a one click, the front plane is appear at the front side. That means you are easily able to draw. Easily able to draw. First we are going for the one circle. Okay, click on the circle, take a center, click on it, and then for example I want to click another click over here. The circle was done, but actually circle command is not deactivated. That means it actually isn't running. If I want to deactivate the circle command, what I'm doing, I make a one middle click of the mouse. Okay, there is a dimension comes here. This dimension is our diameter because the zero is over here. This is our dimension. I want to change it. Here make sure that this dimension is a light blue color. That means is a big dimension. It's a big dimension. For example, if I'm double click on it, you are able to change it and give the number 100 mm. I give the enter. Your dimension converted it into the green. That means it's also changing. Means it's change dimension. I make another circle over here. Click on the circle, select the center, then click over here. Okay, I want to deactivate the circle command. Click out over here. This is another dimension over here. Okay, this and just double click on it and make our 50. That means your outer circle is 100, inner circle is a 50. Here see, you can see that the dimension is changed in the blue, is also in a blue. That means this dimension is strong dimension. That means is a by default user give dimension. We can give the dimension, that's why it's a user dimension. Okay, now your this hollow circle are done. I want to make it okay. I want to make it move. Yeah, this is a move. Your extrude was not done because we have to make a height. What is the height right now? It is in the 21651. I want to change it and I give the 200. 200 and give the enter. That means your height of the hollow cylinder is 200. But we are drawing this hollow circle into the front plane. That's why it came in the that direction, left direction. If I want to change the direction, what I'm done, there is an option available. Change the depth direction of extrude to other side of the sketch. When I click on it, this cylinder is goes on the another direction. That means you're switching over here anywhere, any kind of way. For example, I'm just switching over here, switching over here. Okay, depending on you. Sometime what was done whenever the part is a symmetric part. For example, this is symmetric part. Yes, there is one option available over here. There is the one symmetric part. I'm selecting it. That means your extrude is both direction but in the same equal line. That means plan over your 200 dimension. That means 100 over your 100 in the this direction. Left hand side both are same. Make it okay. Your extrude was done. It's so easy. Thank you.